Hey there! Struggling with issues on your LG Smart TV ThinQ TV apps? Worry not, because in today's guide, we're diving into how to fix LG Smart TV ThinQ TV apps. Whether apps are crashing, not opening, or simply not performing as expected, we've got a comprehensive step-by-step approach to help you get things back on track, ensuring you enjoy seamless streaming once again. Step 1. Check for software update. The first step in fixing app issues on your LG Smart TV is to ensure your system is up to date. Navigate to Settings. Use your remote to access the Settings menu on your LG Smart TV. Select All Settings. Scroll down and choose All Settings or Advanced Settings. Software Update. Find the Software Update option under the General tab. Check for updates. Click on Check for Updates to see if a newer version is available. If there's an update, download and install it. This could resolve many app-related issues. Step 2. Restart your TV. Sometimes a simple restart can fix most problems. Power cycle the TV. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait for a minute. Leave your TV unplugged for about a minute. This ensures that any temporary data or glitches are cleared. Plug it back. Plug your TV back in and turn it on. Open the apps to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clearing cache and temporary files can often fix app glitches. Go to Settings. Access the Settings menu on your TV. Apps. Find the Apps section where all your installed applications are listed. Select Application. Choose the app that is causing issues. Clear cache. Select Clear Cache or Clear Data to remove unwanted files. This can resolve many performance issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for app performance. Test your network. Use another device to ensure your Wi-Fi is working correctly. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Navigate to network settings on your TV and disconnect, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Ethernet connection. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection for more stable and faster internet. Step 5. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If the problem continues, try reinstalling the app. Access the Home Dashboard. Use your remote to go to the Home Dashboard. Remove the app. Highlight the app you want to reinstall. Press and hold the OK button and select the Delete option. Reinstall. Go back to the LG Content Store, find the app, and reinstall it. This provides a fresh installation free from any prior errors. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the above steps work, consider a factory reset. Settings menu. Navigate to the Settings menu. All Settings. Choose All Settings or Advanced Settings. General tab. Find the General section and select Reset to Initial Settings. Follow instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the factory reset. Ensure you back up any important data before proceeding. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve most app-related issues on your LG Smart TV ThinQ. Remember, keeping your TV system updated, clearing cache data regularly, and ensuring a strong internet connection are key to a smooth app performance. Now you know how to fix LG Smart TV ThinQ TV apps. You're set to enjoy your favorite shows and applications without a hitch. Happy streaming.